In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in Inkscape. By the end, you'll know two reliable ways to control where your text sits: flowing text neatly inside a shape, and placing text along a curve for logos and decorative titles. Open Inkscape on your desktop, then either create a new document or open an existing one so you have a canvas to work on. First, let's keep text inside a shape, which is perfect when you want paragraphs to stay within the boundaries of a square, circle, or a custom frame. Draw your shape using the toolbox on the left. A rectangle or ellipse works great, but any shape you draw will do. Next, grab the text tool by pressing T, click on the canvas, and type your text. It can be a headline or a full paragraph. You'll be able to format it afterward. Now hold Shift and click to select both the text and the shape at the same time. Go to the text menu at the top and choose Flow into Frame. Your text will instantly reflow to fit the shape's interior, wrapping to the edges of the frame. If the border of the shape is visible and you don't want it, select the shape and remove its stroke or fill, and your text will still honor the invisible boundary. You can resize the shape at any time to reflow the paragraph, or adjust font, size, and alignment with the text tool for a polished look. Next, let's place text along a path, which is ideal for circular badges, wavy taglines, or curved headings. Start by drawing a path or a shape. A circle is great for round logos, or use the Bezier tool to sketch a smooth curve. Type your text with the text tool just as before. Hold Shift and select both the text and the path. Then go to the text menu and choose Put on Path. Your text will snap to the curve of the path or the edge of the shape. If the curve needs refining, switch to the Node tool and gently adjust the path. The text will follow along dynamically. To change the font size, spacing, or style, use the text tool and your usual formatting controls. If the text appears upside down or inside out on a circle, try rotating or mirroring the path until the orientation looks right. That's it. Two straightforward methods to control text in Inkscape. Use Flow into Frame for tidy, contained paragraphs, and Put on Path for expressive, curved typography. Practice both, and you'll lay out text with confidence on any design.